The representatives of Lovu Cooperative Limited and Veidrala Youth Fishing Cooperative Limited, Commissioner Easton and his team, Ministry of Youth and Sports team and the Ministry of Fisheries team, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. I'm pleased to be here today to officiate the handing over of the boat and engine to these two cooperative businesses, the Lovu Cooperative Limited and Veidrala Youth Fishing Cooperative Limited. And ladies and gentlemen, what a great opportunity created by the youth of these cooperative businesses, bringing new life and bringing economic prosperity to the cooperative businesses in the eastern and western divisions. Cooperative businesses, as you all know, have been always have been thought of to be a model for the aged. However, the two cooperative businesses that are setting an example are these two today. They're setting an example that is showing that young people are taking the reins and securing the future of their community in terms of businesses. From the conventional consumer and marketing cooperative business, it is refreshing to witness some diversification and ingenuity by the youth in utilizing the available resources and venturing into fishing businesses. Fiji has an abundant ocean resource which allows business ventures into fisheries, into tourism and maritime transport. And these are all part of the blue economy, the protection of which the Fijian government is resonating at COP26. Climate change is having a devastating impact on our traditional land and ocean resources, and that too at an accelerating rate. Your government, along with other Pacific Island nation delegates, are holding the large carbon gas emitters accountable for the promises made and are securing urgent accelerated action, an action plan to limit global temperature rise and tackle the efforts of an overheated planet. We've just witnessed, just this morning, what climate change is actually doing to our country. But the village that we went to has been resourceful, and they found other means of securing new businesses. And so there's a lot of creativity around since COVID came along too. As we challenge the protection of our ocean resources, ladies and gentlemen, at the global arena, domestically, the Fijian government ensures that our people are properly equipped to carry out sustainable business ventures, especially with the rise in the blue economy. The Integrated Human Resources Department, the IHRDP, as is commonly known, has worked with Lovu Cooperative Limited and Veidrala Youth Fishing Cooperative Limited. So communal resources can be pooled, and the pooled resources can work together on projects that generate income and create some decent employment. The joint partnership and collaboration amounting to $48,330.36 between the government and the cooperative businesses has enabled the procurement of fiberglass boats and the outboard engines. And furthermore, a deep freezer and some solar panels will be delivered and installed in Gao Island for Lovu Cooperative Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been informed that 40 youth of the two cooperative businesses, apart from fishing, have been engaged in agriculture also. And these young men are motivated in utilizing available resources and have an impact, and not only for their own well-being, but for their entire community. And their move to become self-sustainable is actually truly inspiring. And I understand that currently the cooperatives have been hiring boats to catch fish and also transport its catch to their markets in Suva and Gao Island. However, this boat handing over will make that a thing of the past. This will allow the cooperative to save on hiring boats and will allow you to invest more in your cooperative activities. Today's handover, ladies and gentlemen, will enable and ease market accessibility also for fishing cooperative businesses, and it will assist in sustainable fishing practices and improve quality of produce in the domestic market. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, I strongly urge and I strongly encourage other cooperatives and groups to step out of their comfort zones and come forward and apply for the IHRDP grant assistance. Expressions of interest have been widely advertised, in the papers and the Fijian government social media platforms, and with the aim of creating employment and reducing poverty in the rural and peri-urban areas. We have seen firsthand, ladies and gentlemen, how the IHRDP program has actually transformed communities and improved their livelihoods. Today is just another example. As a nation, ladies and gentlemen, we have had to deal with the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has had a significant impact on our country and our economy. Yet assistance as such is needed as a boost. And however, despite being located in the maritime zone or the Western Division, we have not forgotten you. It is the sheer vision and motivation of Lovu and Veidrala Co-operative Limited that it's the driving force that will help overcome the impacts of COVID-19 and return some kind of normalcy into our economy. To the two cooperative businesses, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you also to reach greater heights and to strive to better your commerce and instill enterprise values and utilize the opportunities provided. Be the medium of growth and pioneers of positive change, as there are many out there who are not as fortunate. There is so much potential and possibility for the western and eastern part of Fiji. And I hope that today's handover actually motivates and encourages the existing and emerging businesses in these parts to strive and to excel. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to officially hand over the two boats and the engines to the members of the Lovu Cooperative Limited and Veidrala Youth Fishing Cooperative Limited. And may God bless you in all that you venture on. Thank you very much. Nawalebu.
Let's have an informal one. Embula. All right, on three.